So right here, you see the issue with tariffs, and I'll tell you what my problem is. I had said once Trump had taken office, I was concerned about the economy. We are seeing those effects now, right? We're seeing, and I just finished posting a blog on the 5 states that are feeling the pain. And of course, always go to my blog, bankruptcy.blog, to check out those articles. But I had said I wanted to buy a RV carport for my camper. But that's like three, four, $5,000, depending how big I wanted to go, if not much more than that. And I said, this is probably not the time for me to invest in something like that. If anything changes, all of a sudden the issue is, how am I going to pay for this? I'm getting more and more into debt, which of course I'm trying to avoid like everybody else. So now I have this issue right here. And we're looking here at sit down lawnmowers, obviously, right? But here's my concern. I I I don't want to mow the lawn anymore. I have 1 acre. I'm tired of this. And using a lawnmower is in the winter. There's a lot of months where I don't have to worry about mowing the lawn, but it's getting too old. I've basically had to uh, you know probably someone will come by tomorrow, and then tomorrow make the decision where I'm going to buy one of these babies or not. Now I'm probably going to buy this one. It's the cheapest one. I know the brand, Briggs and Stratton and Murray. But there's your example of how you get nickel and dime to death with this stuff. See, right now, these are prices probably pre tariff only because they've had them in stock and inventory. But once this disappears, and let me roll down here to John Deere. John Deere is laying off people left and right, part because of the tariffs, right? These things are made out of steel and aluminum. But on top of that, they're saying demand is down. It's summer. We're mowing our lawns more than ever now. So there's not like there's less lawn and less rain and we still don't have to mow our lawns. No, it's just people are not spending that money now. So they're probably using whatever old lawnmower they have, or if it breaks down, they fix it. But see, I'll make my decision tomorrow because I might be relocating. So if I'm moving to another state, then I don't need to worry about this for now. But what if I'm staying? I don't want to drop 2K right now. I really don't. But what choice do I have? If this continues, then how much is this going to be worth? How much am I going to have to pay in 6 months or a year? 30, 50% of that? Six, seven, $800 more? The average increase in expenses for the family household ranges anywhere from $2,500 to $4,000. So let's say I have to pay another $2,500 per year, and let's say that this just amounts to $200 a month. Now I've got to add this to it, and then I just did another video where we're getting nickel and dime to death because of this. The Dollar Tree is increasing their prices. May not sound like much, 50% 50 cents here, 60% over there, but at the end of the day, it all adds up. And that's where we come up with these numbers of $2,500 to $4,000 per year. So I have to make a decision. That decision is going to be made probably tomorrow. But basically, if tomorrow it looks like I'm not relocating, I just have to wait for a couple more things to fall into place, then the answer is I have to drop 2K that I don't want to do. But do I drop 2K now, or do I drop 2,500, 2,600, maybe $1,000 more because of tariffs? It's one of those things that you have to do now, or continue mowing with a lawnmower, which I don't want to do. I have to go out and mow the lawn, and I haven't done it yet, and only parts are getting done at a time. And guess what? Doesn't look good. This is the solution, but this is the problem and the tariffs. That's how tariffs affect your life, and I want you to think about that moving forward. Is there a decision? Is there some sort of expense you have to buy now? What can you do? Do you buy now? Do you wait? Do you have a lawnmower that broke? Maybe now's the time to fix it. Maybe it'll cost $200 or $300 to fix it, but now may not be the time to drop 2K. All right. Any questions or comments, let me know. Have a great weekend, everybody. And I wish the economy does wonders for you. I hope you make more money than you ever have before. Nothing wrong with spreading out some good vibes. Take care, everybody.